Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what I've gotten on here so far. So I'll set the phone here so you can see it. So looks like it's gonna roll off the edges both sides, and going the extra mile. I thought I was going to need 3 full sheets, which I didn't, but I'm going to just make it happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one here. The next one is going to go all the way up to that straight, and it's going to have a seam. I'm going to screw it down. I'm going to screw it down on the outside edges. And I'm going to lay it right down on top of this. Now I'm going in there, and I'm going to run me a 2x4 up to those two to push the corner of that peak of that roof up higher, so it creates a, a dome like a bus. And well, my idea didn't work too well for the other two pieces, but it did a good job for that one. So water ain't going to be able to stay on there. The camper looks like it's rolling back this way, so everything's going to rush into here. So I still haven't found out the story about my brand new roll of rubber, if it's going to be a gigantic hole or not. But I got Eternal Bond tape to sandwich it. And even though I'm doing that, I still got 30 foot of rubber that I can roll all the way out over top of this, fold it out here, and then roll it back over top. So I got dual layer rubber roofing. And then from where that piece is sitting on top of the original roof, I need to make sure that that is fully blocked off, so water don't rush in through this way up underneath that plywood. So I need to screw that down tight as I can get it. And then I'm going to put that Eternal Bond tape across that, probably about 4 layers. So I do 4 passes. That way water can't get past it to rush into the camper. And then I got to do something with that ventilation cap, so nothing can happen there. Now, I think I'm just going to use a 7-Eleven cup, put it over it, and let it go underneath that wood. And then just throw the rubber roofing over top of it. So hang tight, I'll be back. We are that close of being somewhat finished. So again, temporary roof, and to help keep the rain out. Unfortunately, this is the better end of my brand new rubber that's destroyed. So this has got to get pulled all the way up to the front, pull the bottom, and pull it all the way back. And then we're going to lock it down with some straps. And I got this much overhang on both sides. That should be plenty. And then the main 30-footer rubber that's up in the front, got to take the straps off and pull the rubber this way more. I got to pull it over. And I screw those damn tarps. I ain't doing not another damn tarp ever again. Those tarps are junk. It's just a temporary, get you by the moment, but don't count on it for the seasons. Don't rely on it to cover your house. Don't rely on it for shit. If you really care about it, don't use it. I've seen a damn car cover do a better job than that. I mean, a piece of toilet paper is what you're putting up there. So, yeah, I busted my ass. This is all my stuff I had to throw away. So yeah, all my stuff's ruined. It's all sitting in bags. Footstool, furniture, all of that. And so now, to know if we are watertight means airtight. And I don't see no daylight coming in. But I am going to put 2x4 here. I'm going to put 2x4 here, and I'm going to screw it to the damn floor. That way I got plenty of strength up there in the center. And there ain't nothing going to push that sucker in. But you can see she's got curvature across the top. That's what I wanted. There's no daylight. No daylight. So that's good. So I'm going to have to leave these windows open and finish letting this thing air out. Because it does have a lot of moisture in there. So I got crosswinds there. I got windows open up in the front. Letting all that aerate. And there shouldn't be a damn reason for water to get back in there right now. Other than this area. Where they should create a river dam here first. And come down like it's been doing. But that's the other reason why water is getting in. I don't have enough of that rubber overhanging like I do here. So somehow it got walked off over that way. So the rain's coming in from the side, coming down and rushing in also. But when it's all done, I'm going to have all that, you know, strapped. And so yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm done for today. I can't take no more up and down that ladder. It's near killing me, and I got a 10-hour trip ahead of me tomorrow for our new place. And hopefully, this time, we have a house. And, so y'all have a good one. Get out and do something every day. You'll be glad you did. You'll thank me later. And, thank y'all for stopping in and watching. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next time.